What's up, makeup minions? I'm Kim Witte from WitteArtistry, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button below to become part of the WitteArtistry family. I decided to make a gore look, and this time it is a busted up lip, so let's get started. If you like me and like my videos, it would mean the world to me if you became a sponsor on my Patreon page. If you remember correctly, I have already done a black eye and also a broken nose, which you can find up in the little info card thing or also the description below. But this time I'm teaching you how to make this busted up lip to kind of complete the whole beaten up look. So you will need rigid collodion, which is basically this liquid you put on your skin in layers that creates a pucker and an indent. It's really good for scars or making a deep well for a cut. So add that to your lip in sort of a slashing motion. And then on the edge of that puckered hole that it creates, for lack of a better term, add some liquid latex and a couple of layers. Make sure you wait for it to dry in between. Once it's dry, make sure you powder your latex just to get rid of the shine and also prevent it from sticking to itself. Basically, we use the rigid collodion to make sort of a slash where the actual hole is for the cut. And then the liquid latex, I am peeling away with a metal spatula to create flappy bits where your skin has come off from, I guess, being punched or something. Then with alcohol activated makeup, I am using red, and basically keep it concentrated towards the center of the cut is going to be the darkest part. But I'm also dabbing it out on the edges with my finger and a brush to make it more gross. Time to add some highlight with white cream makeup. Basically just go on the edge of the cut and then blend it out. This will make it look super swollen and super gross, and it will really complete the effect. And you are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I totally appreciate it. This was really short, sweet, simple. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I'm open to suggestions. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next Saturday.